This is the coziest upgrade your space is missing. Hey guys, it's Rebecca with WTI, and this 4-foot round area rug from Edlbaegy honestly feels like stepping on clouds. The surface is soft and skin-friendly, and the thick cushioning underneath makes it so comfortable, especially if you're walking on it barefoot. And because it's fluffy, it really makes any room feel cozy just by looking at it. I also love the cream color. It's clean, neutral, and the geometric pattern is so beautiful. I have it in my office area, which is connected to my living room, and it still blends in perfectly. I even have my office chair on it, and it doesn't get stuck in the wheels. So it's so practical. It's perfect for smaller spaces since it really warms up the whole room. Another huge plus is the anti-slip bottom. It's also so easy to clean. All I have to do is just vacuum it. Overall, I'm so happy with this rug. It's convenient, beautiful, and adds that cozy touch to any space. But that's simply my point of view.